Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would change your air filter on your 2013 Ford Fusion. So to gain access to your air filter, of course you've popped the hood and then you've got a cover right here. You're just going to pull these tabs back. There's just two here, and then you've got some it's like a tongue tab on the back that holds it in, but you're just going to pull this side up. Right, pop it up like that, and all you'd have to do is just pull up on this element here, remove the filter, add a leaf or two down there, clean out. If it's really dirty you can take a vacuum and vacuum it out. So then you would just take your new air filter and put it in, and then make sure these tabs on the back, they go into the little grooves there, and then press it down, and then just snap the clips back and lock it into place. That's how you change your air filter in your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.